Hi, so today we're going to be making some mini pies out of slime. Let's start with the pie tins. So first, cut the foil into 3 pieces since we're going to be making 3 pies. And press the foil into the tin. Then push the extra flat, and you can cut it off later. So then we're going to just cut a circle around the edge to get rid of all the extra. So here's our pie tins. Now let's make the crust. We're going to be using Model Magic. So, see, I've got about this size, maybe a little more, of just white Model Magic. The clay is conditioned. It doesn't really need that much conditioning because it's Model Magic. And we're going to put a little bit of brown acrylic craft paint to make it look like a crust. So just a little bit. Mix that in. So I put some more paint and now it's crust colored. So I have my ball. I'm going to put it center of the pie tin and I'm pressing it down so that it covers the inside and it's basically like a crust. Maybe I put too much. So I figured out that if you take a piece off and roll it into a snake and put that in, then you can make a better crust. So our little pies, just the crust. Now let's get started with the I'm going to use about half a bottle of school glue. Next I have a bit of water and I'm just putting in a pinch of borax. This is going to be our activator, what turns the glue into slime. Now I'm taking a small spoon of the activator, mixing it into the glue. Just keep mixing until you can touch the slime and it doesn't stick to your fingers. I put a little bit more activator and I'm just going to keep mixing and maybe add some more. It's kind of turning into slime. This goes into 3 bowls. Just need a little bit. Here I have some lemon extract. That's going to make it smell good. Just need a teeny bit. This smells exactly like lemon meringue. Like, exactly. I scraped off some of the paint that I put in because I want it to be a really light color. Now for the cherry filling. I'm going to put some beads in it. And then some paint. So now that we have our filling, we can put them in our pie crust. Just a little too much there. I just wanted to make a little bit of extra dough to put as like a lattice top on top of the cherry. Shaving cream works as whipped cream. There's our pies. Now let's play with them. The cool part is shaving cream and Model Magic mix into slime and make them really fluffy. Now, I don't want to destroy these right now, but thank you for watching and subscribe so you can watch more videos. Bye!